Hey yogis, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Erin Cranston. I'm with Denver Yoga Social. Today we are at Bierstadt Lager House, and I'm here to help you break down Chaturanga, which is 1/3 of your vinyasa flow. So to begin, you'll be on palms and on knees. Palms are hip width distance apart. Press down through all 10 fingers and the base of all 10 knuckles. For the modified version of this pose, your knees stay on the ground, belly hugs in towards your spine. Inhale, rock your shoulders forward over your fingertips. As you lower down, hug your elbows in to frame your side body. For the more challenging variation of this pose, which offers more heat and intensity, for your high to low plank, you'll start at the top, knees lifted away from the mat. Again, belly draws up towards your spine, hug into center line. Exhale, rock and lower halfway into your low plank. Squeeze your elbows in, and then you can work through your flow into upward facing dog and back into downward facing dog. Thank you so much. Enjoy your practice.